Hi, this is Nick J back from Success Luminary. In this video, I'm going to be installing a blog. I'm going to be installing a blog like these ones here. I've already installed this blog, but because of technical difficulties, I'm having to install it again. So basically, this is going to be a series of videos. The first one is basically preparing the area where the blog is going to be installed. So we're going to do this through GoDaddy, and if I go down to my account, go down to hosting, launch. And basically what we're doing here, the idea is that I rent some hard drive space, if you like, off GoDaddy, and that hard drive space has a domain name going to it, a main domain name like empowernetwork.com, and basically what I'm able to do is, so that's pointing at a folder which I can put anything in that folder. But with this system, I can create more folders within that folder and point different domain names or URLs at those folders, and those will be different websites. So that's basically what we're doing. We're creating folders within the main folder, and then we're going to point a domain name at it, and that's where we'll be installing the blog. So basically, after I've clicked on that, I want to go to hosted domains. Sorry, maybe I should actually go, maybe I should go back. Basically, all we've done is, what have we done? We've gone to where it says all products, down to the bottom, my account, then we've gone to hosting, and then we've launched, and then what we'll do is we won't wait for that to load. We'll click on options, and then here, that's where we'll go to install the WordPress, but we want hosted domains. Hosted domains. Then this will give me a list of all the domains I've currently got hosted. And these are all pointing at folders. It doesn't matter what the name of the folder is, that's just for my reference. So then the easiest thing to do is to add a domain. So to click here, and you can start typing it in there, and it will ask you, and that's the, no, that's not the one I want. Live.com, that's the one I want. And then I have to browse for the folder that I want that to point at. And in a minute, all my other folders will appear here, so I can either click on one of these folders if it's here already, or I can type in the folder here. That should load up in a minute. The other way you can do it is you can if you've got an FTP program, I'll do another video on the FTP program. What I can do, this is inside my main folder. These are all the little folders that have got websites pointed at them. So ClayBurnLive.com. So I've actually got a folder there. If I didn't have, then all I would do is right click and then create a directory, and then just remember what that directory was, and that directory will turn up here. Right, this hasn't opened up yet. Right, there we go. So I want it to go to calorie-burn-live.com. I have to just make sure because I've got a few calorie burns. And then press OK. So then that's saying pending now. So I just have to wait until that's, well, basically says set up, and that'll just be a question of kind of refreshing the page up here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to let's see, if I go into calorie burn, the folder, images.com, right, I've now double clicked on that. I'm in the folder. I'm going to create a file, and this will say what should I say? I'll just put test. Right, okay, so I'll just write test. I'll save as. If you save it as save it onto the desktop, if you save it as a index dot html, it then basically saves it as a web page. That's just an ordinary text file, and as you can see, it's here. It's just saved it as a web file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that over there. I'm going to put that inside the folder, and I'll delete that afterwards when I'm ready to install the blog. I'll delete this, but that's just there now, so that when I go to refresh this page and I go to www.calorieburn.com, I'll see that white page with the test on there, so then I'll know that it's set up. Even though it says it's set up here, I'll know ahead of time as to whether I'm set up. Right, okay, that's how to point your domain at your folder so that then you can install the blog. And typically this will probably take about anywhere between 5 minutes to half an hour for that to find the folder. Okay, I will see you in the next part of the series.